Hey, it's been ages since we last caught up. How have you been getting on?
I know, right? I've been keeping busy with work and some personal projects. But overall, I can't complain. How about you?
I've been feeling down lately. I lost my job a few weeks ago, and it's been tough getting over it.
Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear that. Have you started looking for new opportunities?
Yes, I have. I've been sending out my resume and attending job fairs, but it's been a bit discouraging so far.
Don't worry, something will come up soon. You just have to keep at it and stay positive. Meanwhile, have you thought about taking up a new hobby or learning something new?
That's a good idea. I've actually been considering taking up painting. I've always had an interest in art, and it could be a great way to keep myself occupied.
That sounds fantastic. Painting can be a wonderful creative outlet. You should definitely go for it. And hey, if you ever need any art supplies, I can give you a hand. I have some extra brushes and paints lying around.
That's really kind of you. I'll definitely take you up on that offer. Maybe we could even set aside a day to paint together.
Absolutely. It would be so much fun to get together and have a painting session. Let's work out a date that works for both of us.
Sounds like a plan. By the way, have you heard about the new restaurant that opened downtown? It's getting rave reviews.
Oh, yeah. I've heard about it. It's called Taste of Asia. They're known for their authentic Asian cuisine. We should definitely check it out sometime.
I'm up for it. Let's get together this weekend and have dinner there. I've been craving some delicious dumplings.
Count me in. I'll pick you up on Saturday evening, and we'll head to Taste of Asia together. It'll be a great way to relax and enjoy some good food.
Awesome. I'm really looking forward to it. It's always fun hanging out with you and trying out new places.
Likewise. It's been too long since we've had a good catch-up session. Saturday will be the perfect opportunity for that.
Definitely. I can't wait. It'll be a much-needed break from job hunting and a chance to recharge.
Absolutely. Let's make the most of it. We'll have a great time catching up and enjoying our meal.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.